Good afternoon, everyone. I am Crafty the Old... Good afternoon, everyone. I am Crafty... Oh my gosh. I can't say my name. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm the Crafty Old Lady. I'm Sylvia. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady. And I have had a real struggle saying my name today. But anyway... I am on week 2 of Margarete Miller's collage challenges, and today I need transportation, and I have a horse-drawn wagon or sleigh. It might be a sleigh. You can't tell because the flowers are in the way. Sheet music, a drawing or a sketch. I'm going to draw a little bird right here. I don't have a favorite book or author. So I'm going to skip that one, and the something that begins with R is going to be the roses. And then I have this for my postage stamp. And that's going to be it today. So the first thing I'm going to do is try to draw my little bird here. It's not going to be a great, beautiful bird. It's just going to be a little bird. And we'll see how that comes out, won't we? So... I also am going to say that my bird is a robin, so that's another R. This is just a rough sketch because, you know, it's supposed to be a sketch, not a... Right? Sketch. Where was it? Yes, a drawing or a sketch. Well, I guess it could be a fancy little drawing too if you wanted it to be. But mine's just a little sketch. And now what I'm going to do is get my glue stick and just kind of glue down on the whole paper. I got to go out later and get some... Uh-oh. See what happened? I think that one's empty. I knew it was getting low. So let's go with this one. And again, I need to put something behind here because I'm going to glue basically the whole page. And I know I keep saying if I stay in the square, I will be on camera, and I keep worrying that I'm not going to be on camera. But I think this is going to work out pretty good. So anyways, this is going to go right here. And we'll have that there. And... I believe, what else was I doing? This is going here. Uh-oh, is my bird not on there? Yeah, the bird's on there. Okay, so we got that. And I think I was putting this under here to make sure that everything is covered. I should have inked it all up. And then this, I was going to put like this. So that's still the plan. But I have to put more glue where there isn't any. And I hope you're all doing well. I may have said that already. I don't know. I get sidetracked on what I've already said when I go from clip to clip. So I think we're good here. And I'm gonna, oh, I think we need a little more glue right down here. Okay, that should do it. Oh boy. Alright, let's trim off the excess paper. I gotta remember, stay in the square. Are you following along and doing these prompts too, or are you just watching others? Because you can type in the hashtag, what is the hashtag this year? Hashtag 2025 CWP, and then whatever number you're on, 2, 3, this is number 2. I should put the dates on these, I think. Maybe I'll start doing that. Okay, and then we're going to, I think, ink around this and just kind of maybe put them down at the bottom, but I definitely want to ink around the edges. The edges. We've been watching the birds this morning. And it's fun. I like watching all the critters out there, trying to get some seeds. Okay, so they're going there. And I think that is the end of this one. Shall we check? Let's, I think I'll use this glue. Again, we'll try this glue again. It makes the page wet, though, which I wasn't too thrilled about on this side, but it did kind of calm down a little bit. It's not as wrinkly as it was. I want to make sure I get all these little bits glued on. Tiny little hoofs and ears. Okay. Put this one here. And that's the other thing too I didn't like. It doesn't stick to the page as quickly as Fabri-Tac or glue stick. So I've got my transportation, sheet music, my drawing. Don't have a favorite book or author, but I have roses that start with R and my robin that starts with R. And my postage. I'm just going to write robin on here. There. Now everybody knows that that's a robin. And it starts with R. So I got two things that start with R. Sometimes I feel like when I kill two birds with one stone, I'm cheating though. Because roses and transportation, you know what I mean? But I think we'll be okay with it. And that's it for hashtag 2025 CWP number 2. And this is Margarete Miller's Collage Challenge for 2025. It's a lot of fun. No pressure. I mean, do what you can when you can. And I do think I'm going to change my covers. Cover them up with something, because I don't necessarily think they look very good. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.